Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know I look crazy right now, but we're gonna make sure that we get it all together because of the fact that I am going to wash my hair. And you guessed it, this is a wash day video. So to start off, my growth journey has been going really well. As you guys can see, I'm able to somewhat slick back my hair. And I'm really happy at the rate that my hair is growing. Some of you may already know about what I've been doing as far as growing my hair. If you haven't checked it out, you can check some of my previous videos and I explain what I've actually been taking. But for this video, I'm going to show you what products I have been using to not only aid in my growth process, but also make sure that my new hair that is coming in so nicely is fully moisturized and taken care of. I mean, my strands need some TLC throughout this entire process, so I think it's important that I share that with you guys. So some of you already may know that I've used this brand before and I actually love it, especially during wash day, of course. And for those of you that don't know, I'm going to share with you right now. So I love using this brand's shampoo and conditioner because really my strands just soak it all up and love it. My strands feel fully moisturized. I feel like all the products that I have in my hair are just like gone in a split second. And it's important, like I said, to make sure that you're maintaining the overall wellness of your hair, because from all the styling that we do, there's so much manipulation, there's so much going on that we really need to keep our strands together. So I love that this brand really aids in doing that, and that brand is Soapbox. If you've heard of Soapbox, or if you haven't heard of Soapbox, they're a new brand that has definitely been rocking everything so far as the shampoo and conditioner lines are concerned. They have duos. I'm looking down because I'm actually looking at the product as we speak before I show you. They have a bunch of different scents that you can choose from, and right now in front of me I have one of my favorites, and I also have one of their newest ones that came out. So as far as my fave, it is the argan oil, and I like that the packaging of it tells you what they're kind of made for. So for the argan oil conditioner, well, shampoo and conditioner, it's to maintain control and to soften. So this is what the packaging looks like. I know it's kind of bright and you can't see it, but I'll dim it down in a few so you guys can at least see the wording on the packaging. But this one is like my absolute favorite one. It's the argan oil and then the coconut line, but these are my babies right here. For the second one now, the newest one that has come out, this is the activated charcoal now, and this is meant to detoxify and refresh. So I'm really excited to try this out. Like, honestly, activated charcoal, like, oh my god, hello. So we're gonna we're gonna try this out for this wash day because I really am excited and anxious to use this. And we're gonna come back and see how my hair feels. So keep watching. Listen, I got skills because trying to do this without messing up my makeup, listen, child. So when I squeeze this out, it has like a silver look to it. I don't know, I'm amused by a whole bunch of things. So it came out silver. It looks so cool and it smells amazing. Like, so far I'm really loving it. So anytime that I shampoo my hair, I kind of like to just, of course, using my fingertips. I'm not actually scraping it, so I'm using my fingers. And I kind of just like to just do circular motions and just massage my head. Usually I use my scalp massager, but I actually cannot find it at the moment. So I'm like, okay, I gotta get back to the basics and just use my hands. Alright, so I'm gonna go and wash this out, and then I'll be back with the conditioner. So when I put in the conditioner, usually I like to just, you know, go in with my fingers and finger detangle, because I want to make sure that it evenly gets distributed. So I like to just run my fingers through each section a little bit, and then I put a shower cap over my head for probably like 5 minutes, and then before rinsing out. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just put a plastic shower cap over my head, and like I said, leave it for 5 minutes and then rinse it with lukewarm water, and then I'll be back. Guys, like literally my hair feels so good, so good. Like I feel like my hair feels so refreshed. Like, you know, like when you get like a deep cleaning and it just feels amazing. Like, okay, perfect example, when you go to the nail salon and it's like, you know, you've been struggling for a minute with your nails, and then when you finally get a fresh set, it just feels like you're a brand new person. Literally, that's how I feel right now. Like, this shampoo has been like so clarifying for my strands right now. Definitely you guys gotta check this out, because my hair is loving it. My hair felt super soft, super refreshed, and ready for me to just style it. So that's probably what I'm gonna do next, of course. You know, that's it for wash day. Like literally, I'm so happy that my hair feels this way. I'll make sure to put all the info for the shampoo and conditioner from Soapbox, especially since it's their newest one that came out. You guys can probably try it out for yourself. Trust me, no regrets with this purchase. No regrets. And other than that, stay tuned. I will definitely keep you guys posted with still my hair journey, and if I'm using any updated products. Overall, my tips that I can share with you as far as my growth journey so far is just to continue to, you know, love, of course, the skin that I'm in, and enjoy each step of the way with how my hair length is changing. Also, I have just been really open to trying new products nowadays. I feel like I'm so used to my consistency as far as my routines, and sometimes I'm not open to trying new things on my hair unless, like, you know, I'm really pushed to that extent, like, okay, I have to try this. But you know, now I'm different. I'm embracing trying new things, because I love to see my hair like do certain things as far as my curls. So you'll see that in a couple products that I'll be switching up for my routines. Of course, maintaining my wash days and making sure that I am retaining so much moisture, because that is important. I continue to take my main choice pills, and drinking water. I think that's important. Drinking water, because not only has that helped my hair, my nails, but also has helped my skin look even better. But yeah, those are my quick little tips as far as my hair growth journey so far. Other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I love my wash days. Super short, simple, and to the point. And I have no regrets cutting my hair. But thanks for watching, guys. Love you guys as always. Peace.